All right, so Marcus did a really good job of showing sort of the setup of how you'll set your song up to be manipulated by the chord track. So why don't you show us what you can do now that we've basically established the chords of the song and everything's ready to go.
Right, so we have our song here, and you can see we've got our chords all lined out. So let's go ahead and take a listen to what it sounds like in its current form.
16 years later, in this young lady speaking to a crowd who needed to see, she tried and tried, but they rolled their eyes. One day you'll know the meaning of making a choice. She's speaking from her heart, but using her voice. Tears fill her eyes.
All right, so that's a pretty basic arrangement there. So what if we came in and we wanted to start playing with how these chords are interacting? And let's just go and change the sound of this A and make it an A minor, which will really change the sound of that 5 chord in the key of D. And let's just change this E minor to an E. So that's a 2 chord in the key of D, and it's really going to give you a whole different flavor of what this is going to sound like as an arrangement. So let's take a listen to that.
16 years later, in this young lady speaking to a crowd who needed to see, she tried and tried, but they rolled their eyes. One day you'll know the meaning of making a choice. She's speaking from her heart, but using her voice. Tears fill her eyes.
That's just amazing. Holy cow. So
Yeah.
so you're telling me not only did we change the MIDI tracks, which other DAWs do that, but all of the audio, including chord instruments like that acoustic guitar, just changed from major to minor.
Right. So
That's crazy.
if I solo the background vocals and this music bed, you can hear, if I play it from right here, you will hear that these G's are now G sharp.
Tears fill her eyes.
And if I go back to the E minor, those G sharps are now G's again.
Her voice. Tears fill her eyes.
So pretty amazing stuff there.
Pretty amazing. Good Lord. So this is going to be an amazing tool for songwriters, for arrangers, basically any type of, you're in that place in that song that you're wanting to experiment and you want to see what are the possibilities. I mean, the chord track is going to really, really change the way that we arrange music.
That's true. And so to take it a step further, we can come here, and for our users who use Notion, we can take, I created this little synth part, and if I solo it, you can hear it's just a simple little stringy type line. But if I wanted to have an actual string player play this, string players aren't used to playing things by ear. They want written music.
That's
no
right.
big deal. If I've got Notion, if I highlight this and I come over here and go Song, Send to Notion, with the latest version of Notion, I can send that note data to selected tracks and create a lead sheet. And when I click Send, it's going to export it to Notion, and notice that A minor
Wow.
changed all of my C's to C naturals, and it changed the G in the E chord to a G sharp.
Oh my gosh. So now we just print this out, hand it to your string player, and
Right.
you're done.
They've got the chords above the staff where they can practice with a piano or a keyboard or a guitar player, and they can practice their string line, and then we've got the written notes for them.
That's amazing. Holy cow. Okay, so that's an awesome feature. So, if you liked what you saw, this is just kind of the tip of the iceberg, because we have full-length videos from Marcus, and also Richard is going to be creating some more tutorials on how you can use these tools. So check it out. If you're not subscribed already to our YouTube channel, find us on YouTube and definitely sign up for it, because we have a lot of really great content coming for Studio One version 4.